So much different than I remember. When I left all of this in your hands, Morgan, I failed to realize that the world wasn't ready. But we have to be. There are people, companies working in the shadows, trying to get a hold of Stark technology.
My old friend Tony Stark. Do you remember me? You took everything from me. Now I'm just returning the favor.
It's Justin Hammer. He has our technology. We have to be ready for that.
Think carefully, Tony. What would happen if you lost Morgan? The Stark legacy ends with you.